train coming! I knew it was coming. It's passing Sherman's. Not Oak Street, it was just passing Sherman Street. It's coming. It's coming fast, actually. Probably because it's a strong engine. A Tesla. Brilliant. It's going kind of quick. It looks like a Mill City Hollow. Or is it a Mill City Hollow? I don't think that's a Mill City Hollow. That's not. A bug. A hopper. Oh! That's actually a Burlington Northern hopper. 5957! 5957 is coming too! There's two trains. 5957 might be trailing behind 1807 right here. Just gonna have to wait and see. Man, it's a long one. Wow, it's a long one. Is coming. Whoa, two horns at the same time. Two trains. Got two trains. No, there is two trains. "5957 is passing by Sherman Street. Ooh, nice car. Should I wait and see, guys? No, here it comes. 5957. Two trains at the same time. Two trains at the same time. This is a great shuttle. I wish they were connected together. Can't believe there's two trains at the same time. You can still hear 1807. can't believe there's 2 trains. Now this has to be the Mill City hauler. Where are they? There they are! It is the Mill City hauler. Oh, just an engine actually. They're not stopping. All right, that was awesome. I guess please like and subscribe. Bye.